We're still with the Business Roadshow. The general insurance space can stay vibrant and resilient with new products and innovation in the way they serve. Let's find out how companies like Standard Insurance is evolving to make sure they connect with more Filipinos today as they have in over 6 decades. Patricia Echauz-Chilip, she's the president of Standard Insurance. Welcome to the Business Roadshow, Pat.
Thanks so much, Stanley. It's so good to be here.
It's good to have you here. First, can you give us a picture, perhaps, of the general insurance space, the challenges it is facing currently amid economic headwinds, and how has that experience been for you?
Well, you know what? The last 2 years after the pandemic have been really good ones. I just saw Nicholas's report before I came on, but as far as we're concerned, it's been a pretty growing insurance market in 2022 and the first half of 2023. Everybody seems to be buying cars and traveling, so it's been really, I guess I hope this is the new normal, but it looks pretty good. As for economic headwinds, I saw the report earlier, but we literally have physical headwinds. Our challenges in the insurance industry is more the typhoons and super typhoons. In 2021, we had Typhoon Odette, which was like maybe a $2 billion event for our industry. So that has been challenging for us. But otherwise, in terms of growth, consumer growth, retail growth, it's been pretty good.
All right, you're talking about challenges, physical challenges to the industry. We are cognizant of the fact that, it's climate change time and there could be a lot of incidents where a lot of insurance companies will really find themselves in a very challenging situation. Now, in what ways, perhaps, is Standard Insurance resilient now? I mean, are you hopeful that domestic consumption can still sustain the growth for the industry in general?
I think so. Banks are still lending and consumers are still consuming. We're very much we're a very strong motor and retail player, so that's what we're seeing. We're resilient because we have globally rated A-rated reinsurers, so we've been able to surmount all the challenges. Being in the Philippines means you have to do 24 typhoons a year and not blink. So we're used to that already. So that's good. We're also nationwide. So 65 years this year. So we're kind of used to it.
Yeah, Pat, Standard Insurance is 65 years old. Congratulations, by the way.
Thank you.
Describe to us this milestone and maybe how it cemented your position in the industry.
We're really grateful for this milestone and we couldn't have come here without our partners. We really grew on the back of dealer partners. We have 700 dealers nationwide and they sell our insurance for us and they also repair all the cars for us. And we also have, of course, bank partners, financial institutions, and our agents. So we're grateful to them. Sama-sama namin ginawa yan, as well as our 1,500 associates. So, we're very happy to begin this milestone. Actually, right now we have a promo. When you register your email and buy a policy with us, or give us your phone number, we'll give you like a free spaghetti or a free sundae just to celebrate our 65th.
All right, we hope a lot of consumers are looking forward to spaghetti now. Pat, through the years, the key to your survival and even thriving, so to speak, is the way the brand has evolved and stayed relevant to insurance needs of Filipinos. Talk to us now about how your products are changing and improving in terms of servicing of claims and many more.
Now, our market is Gen Z and millennials. Okay, right. I don't know if we're still in that market, Stanley, but they everything is digital, everything is turnaround time, everything is now. So it's the way you respond to them. Claim service is really what you're selling. So that's how we've been evolving our services. Our products also change. One of our strongest products now is travel because that's what everybody's doing. And we do everything digitally. We still have through agents and dealers, but now with this generation, everything is really online. So that's how we're kind of evolving with the times.
Okay, Pat, how crowded is the general insurance space and how are you managing competition? I mean, what is Standard Insurance's unique branding?
Well, you know what? There's 10 big players in the insurance space and about 40 small players. And those 10 big players, we all have our own strengths. We are while we have a lot of global business, we also do a lot. We're mostly motor, and we're good at all the retail services. Other people are good at other things. We have been able to manage our brand. I think to be honest, in the core of our strength is really, our value. We really have an adversity quotient. Our value is to be there for you when you need us, whenever there's a catastrophe, to be there on the ground, and to be able to service really in a very hands-on retail way. We have 55 branches nationwide, and all those branch managers, sometimes some of them are second generation, third generation already. So that's kind of our brand. We kind of have a face, literally, someone who'll come and see you. That part is not digital. We are hands-on and face-to-face when things need to happen.
And surely there is a lot of growth in that space as well, which brings us to the next matter, your lofty ambition. Your massive transformative purpose, of course, is to provide peace of mind for all of mankind. Now, a vision and a company direction of sorts. What is the inspiration for this drive, and how far close are you towards that objective?
Peace of mind is just simply making sure that all of our customers are able to sleep at night. Knowing that if anything happens, we'll be able to restore their loss. Knowing that, if their trip gets canceled, if their home, knock on wood, gets into a typhoon, or their car is flooded, that someone's going to be there for you to watch over you. So it's basically sleep at night cover. So that's what peace of mind means, and that's what we wish for everyone.
Okay, you already talked about this a while ago, reaching out to a new generation, the Gen Z, not my generation, in fact. Now, how is digitalization
Nor
now,
mine.
nor yours, playing a role in improving services and processes? Because we're also seeing e-wallets and other fintech platforms offering insurance products in very easy terms and easy to purchase. Now, how do you make sure you're also there, where in fact your future market is?
I'm super excited. I love working in this time because it's the time of AI. It's a time of ocular character recognition. We use AI to make our back end process faster. And every day, the tech team shows us new ways of everything's becoming faster and faster. We have an app, a Sika app, that will help you register your claims online and register your policies online, and basically deal with us in a fast way. And also, we're in most of the digital market spaces. I mean, you cannot ignore the GCash, all of the sites of the bank. So we meet you where you are, because I think that's really how Gen Z is going to move.
Right. And also, we have a growing number of consumers, in fact, into motorcycles. The level of sales for motorcycles up. Is there a way for these people to actually go directly to you or access you very easily?
Of course, just go online. Just send a link. That's the fastest way. Yeah.
All right. Talk to us now about business to business. How much growth are you seeing now for businesses and corporate contracts for Standard Insurance?
To be honest, retail growth has been amazing. But the corporate growth has just been, steady lang. It's growing, but it's not growing at the amazing pace of retail. I think this group, they're still being prudent. They're growing, but another trend is that property rates have gone up.
Okay.
Most of the things we write for these corporates are, so maybe that's also why it's a little bit subdued. But I still think it's optimistic overall. There's business. Everybody has are making positive sounds. So I think it's gonna be a good year. Knock on wood.
All right. It's been a pleasure talking to you today, Patricia Echauz-Chilip of Standard Insurance. We wish you all the best.
Thanks, Stanley.
Have a good day.